Hey y'all, so I know I look crazy, but I'm here to do an update about this hair. So right now, let me give you a little bit of backstory for what I did last night, and then we'll move forward from there, okay? But I used the Lotta Body Wrap Me foaming mousse on these ones that are being too knotted. This side looks pretty good versus this here. This looks a little bit better to me. Okay, so you see how this looks. All right, now let the rest hang down. This has not been touched with anything up at the top, the part that was just in that ponytail, so it's still tangled. It has not been combed. Like last night, I mean, it wasn't combed or anything. So this feels way different. Way more rough, drier. It doesn't feel as lively. But it looks good, but it just doesn't feel the same. So this is what it looks like. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but you see how it needs to be filled in now. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but I can feel it. So I think I need to get that done. Okay, let's get into the review. So this hair has been the way it looks, the way I feel like I look in it. I love this hair as far as a style type hair. Love it. Okay, it's cold here where I'm at, so I'm wearing a coat, I'm wearing a scarf, I'm bundled up, like bundled up right now. And it is causing a lot of friction. Possibly some of the dryness that I'm experiencing is coming, especially in the back and the bottom, like back here. This hair back here tangles really bad. When I say bad, I mean really bad, y'all. I really have to every day at least finger comb it. The first week I didn't comb it, I didn't do anything to it not comb it, but use a powder brush. I didn't use nothing like that on it until after the first week. So the initial video you guys saw, it was like that the whole first week. I noticed that it started to drop the curls, which in turn got longer. I did not do anything to the hair. I didn't put anything on the hair. I did not do anything. Only thing I was doing was finger combing it, and just that's it. And when I come home, usually when I get in for the day, this little stretchy has been my best friend. I take it all, pull it up, and put it in a bun. Just pull it up, and I sleep the bonnet. It was tangling really bad to the point it was getting puffy from the tangles, and I hated it. Then I used the powder brush all over week 2. After week 1, well, going into week 2. And it helped. It helped it to look a little bit fresher. It looked pretty good. But I was like, okay, this is good. I didn't know I could really brush it like this. I'm like experimenting. This is the first time I've ever had this texture. And you guys, I cannot remember for the life of me what texture this hair is, but it's not quite synthetic. It's not quite the synthetic stuff. So I have been trying and see if I can find something to figure it out what's causing all of this friction. I have not yet. So that's why I pulled this out last night. This hair up here, I'm trying to see if I can tell y'all what this feels like. This has no product on it. I have not done anything to it. It's very textured. As you can see, it's very textured feeling, but it's dry feeling at that. Like, there's no This actually looks like it has more sheen in it than it do on camera. I mean, it looks like it has more sheen than it actually do in person. I don't know how to explain it, but it feels really dry. I don't know if it's from the weather. Now, let me say this, it has been snowing here. And so of course the snow is getting all in my hair, and sitting on the hair and you know, all that stuff. Now, do I think it's seeping into it? No, but maybe the elements could have, you know, some kind of effect on how it's feeling. I'm trying to add every piece that I can think of that could be a reason for this. I don't know if others are experiencing the exact same thing, but that is what I'm experiencing. Would I get this hair again? I want to try it in the summer. Like, to be real with you, I want to try it in the summer, just to see how it's going to do. Because I feel like a lot of this may have to do with you wearing a coat, you know, so it's rubbing, you know, like this on the back of the neck. And maybe if I find the right product for it, I don't know, you guys. I'm trying to give every reason I guess I can, because I really like this hair. And I don't want to just rule it out. Now, if I can find another hair that's like this, sure. Now, the curls have dropped a lot. They have dropped significantly. I will try to post a picture somewhere, probably in here, where you can see the picture from the first time to you can see me right now. So let me move over. You'll be able to see the difference between this picture and right now. These have definitely dropped. I have been cutting it like every day, because every day is dropping more. I don't really want it all down here. Like one day I noticed this side had got like down here, y'all, like down here. I really like that I can just get up and kind of, you know, the curls look good and, you know, all that good stuff, but I just don't know that it's worth. I don't know that this one is worth. And I love me some Freetress. Don't get me wrong, you guys. I did want to make sure that I share, you know, what else is going on around the hair that could be affecting it as well. But just the wear and tear of just this top layer that has not had anything on it, it just feels so dry. Versus when I go back here, this feels a lot softer now. A lot softer, like when I put it in soft. And it's still bouncy, don't get me wrong, it's very bouncy, and I love that piece because I like my girl, and it's still moving. I like that. I have always been one that loves me some bounce, y'all. I love me some bounce since I was younger, okay? You know, but you know, I'm gonna share a quick story. I was probably maybe 11 or 12, y'all. This guy did my hair. He gave me a perm and cut my hair in a nice good wrap. Back then it was good wraps that you was always searching for. The person who could do the wrap the best. When I tell y'all this is how my hair was swinging. And then he shaved off the back, and it was almost like a little bob angle cut. He cut my hair up and shaved the back, put a little zigzag design in the back. Honey, I slept like this. Anyways, that's how much bounce I like, okay? I want to keep this in for a month, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to do that or not. I don't know if I'm going to keep it in the rest of the weekend. But just to be honest with you guys, I just don't know right now. I like my stuff to be right, and this isn't quite right to me. However, I've gotten many compliments on just the hair itself. I don't know, you guys. I really don't. I don't know, but I love the way it looks. It looks so pretty. Love this hair. I'm just giving y'all a little quick look. Anywho, I will see you guys in the next video. Thumbs this up, comment below, like it if you guys got something out of here. Or even enjoyed the video in some kind of way. But you guys, I will talk to you soon, and I will see you in the next video.